So we have the CoreMedia Connect and the Partner Engage here in Hamburg to bring together these experts for developing mission-critical customer experience for amazing companies and bring them in one room, sharing knowledge and talking about what is possible today and what will be possible in the future. So our theme this year, the intelligent customer experience revolution. And indeed, it is a revolution. The speed of change, the new capabilities are just massive.
Pretty nice to be here in Hamburg. I really like seeing all the presentations. It gives us a lot of interesting thoughts.
So we had to prepare over 1,000 profiles to have them all ready in CoreMedia.
I want to show you a little bit about our design system because that makes our brand identification across all touchpoints pretty easy.
But first of all, for us it was important to think about multi-channel approach, making the content publishing as easy and as quick as possible. It was a huge help in terms of reorganizing and rethinking how we approach the content inside a company.
Abil and CoreMedia, we can be really proud of what we do. We have a transparent and trustworthy digital window into democracy.
They didn't want just to upgrade the CMS, they wanted to rethink how they engage their audience. So that's why we called it a reboot.
It's always fun to be around partners and friends of the community and what interesting insights they can give you and have an open and honest conversation about the present and the future.
It's always super interesting to understand the next wave of development from a product point of view and the development roadmap, particularly in the areas of artificial intelligence and AI enablement. Fantastic event, always super enjoyable.
It is fascinating to see the speed of development. We connect more and more technology to make it smarter. And so I think in 1 year's time, a lot will happen. Don't miss out on that update, what's happening until then.